Hi everybody, I hope you're doing okay. I managed to get at least a little bit of R&R over the weekend. It's Monday the 6th of April and I wanted to do a little update to you just to confirm that there's not been huge changes over the last few days. However, we're getting steadily more and more clarity over some of these business support measures. One thing that we are now finding is that a lot of local authorities have put grant claim forms on their website for businesses to be proactive in making claims. Although we were originally told that the local authorities would contact qualifying businesses directly, that is not the case for all local authorities. So please have a look at your local authority website to see whether you can be proactive in making that claim. Mansfield District Council, MDC, have got a grant claim form on there, so if you fall under that area, please take a look. The furlough scheme, loads of businesses have taken this scheme up already, with no doubt more to follow. We're still waiting for absolute clarity on that 80% calculation to a maximum of £2,500 per month per employee that's been furloughed. The scheme is open until the end of May unless it gets extended further, which is a possibility. We are being told that the ERS national insurance contribution and the minimum 3% auto-enrolment pension contribution will be reclaimable on top of the £2,500 maximum, or 80%. However, we don't know if the extra ERS and extra pension, if people are topping up to full salary, will also be reclaimable. So there's something to look out for there. Directors, starting to look a little bit more positive that your PAYE element of your remuneration might be able to qualify under the furlough scheme, subject to certain restrictions. Don't forget though, if you're a shareholder director and take dividends to top up your salary, the dividends will not qualify. They are not part of PAYE. But hopefully we'll get a little bit of success as the rules around directors and the furlough scheme are announced in due course. If you are deferring your VAT, please don't forget to stop your direct debit. Otherwise, it is possible that the system will still take the money out anyway. You still have to have filed your return by the normal deadline, so get that in, but do stop your direct debit if you're wanting to defer. PAYE and NIC liabilities, contact HMRC to confirm a time to pay arrangement for those deferrals, just to be safe. The self-employed amongst you, I'm afraid we're still waiting for absolute clarity on this £50,000 calculation over the last 3 years. We don't know yet whether it's based on trading profit only, whether it's taxable profit, i.e. adjusted for capital allowances, or whether there's any impact for other income via your tax return as well. I'm sorry that we haven't got more on this yet. Obviously, the furlough scheme seems to have taken precedent because the Chancellor said for the self-employed, these measures are not going to be in place and money isn't going to be available until June. So they've left quite a long time there, and you're going to have some cash flow difficulties, no doubt, in that time. We'll do our very best to help you navigate these issues and navigate the rules as we get more, but for now just wanted to give you that update to say that there's not too much more, just a little bit more clarification or more noise coming out over how people believe certain parts of these support schemes should work. In the meantime, take care. I hope you can have a reasonable week, whatever your circumstances, and I'll get some more on here as soon as I can.